Guys, what's going on? It's a Blockbull right about now, bringing you the latest episode to the channel. Now, you better want to watch this video, guys, because this is going to be absolutely explosive and educational content for you guys right now. If you guys want to know where to be taking your bags with this next move for XCN, you better be watching, guys, okay? But before we dive into it, these are the crypto bubbles on the daily. We're doing really well. Velo up 7.1%, Sol 7.9%, XCN 7.4%. So we're doing really well. Green bubbles across the board, besides XDC, which is down ever so slightly at 0.3% down here. Now, before I dive into it, we do have bank holiday weekend as well. So we've got Friday, Saturday, Sunday off for you lucky beggars. So yeah, Christian holiday, so majority have got bank holiday off. Now, historically, banks have closed down, okay? Banks have closed down, liquidity dries up, and this is still the same thing. It's all pre-programmed into the algorithms, okay? Over in the stock market, indices, forexes, etc. Even though crypto's 24/7, still trading, there probably won't be any volume, okay? I'm saying there might not be any volume, there still could be, and the reason being is because the charts are looking very bullish. So let's dive into it. So this is XCN now. So I've already got the TA up for you guys, and I'm going to dive into this very, very shortly. So what I'm going to do is just ignore this for now. I'm going to move this out of the way for you guys, and I'm going to revisit it, because what's happening here is we're getting a nice breakout from this bullish bull flag. Okay, so we're going to take that close there, and we're going to take that there. We're just going to duplicate that as well, just like that. It's like magic, yeah? Like magic. So this was the bull flag. Well, now what's happened is, bear in mind, this is a 3-hour time frame. So we've had a few candles here. So we had a breakout here, nice green candle, boom, broke out the bull flag, close, close, close. Or we were looking at closing. Okay, so we've had like 3 or 4 decent 3-hour candles above what was resistance, and now just sort of resting on support. Okay, so this is a continuation pattern, and I've shared this in the Discord as well. So if you guys want to join the Discord, the link is in the description there. I can also pin it in the comment section as well. So make sure you're subscribing, liking the video. Also, if you want to go that extra further to support the channel, obviously, subscribe to the Crypto Discord AI, where I do post exclusive content, and you got the Crypto AI metrics as well. So everything's at your fingertips there. Now, XCN looking really good. And let's just get back to the Discord chart patterns, which I posted today. So this is what is happening now with the Onyx coin. We are currently here in this bullish wedge. So this is us right here now. We've got the entry, take profit, and the stop loss. So what I'm going to do on the sort of micro, we're going to post this. So this is in the short term, guys. Okay, so this is short term. Now, what we'll do is, this is your entry here. You got your risk there down at the bottom of that bull flag. And then what happens is then you then stretch that to the sort of recent high. So that'll be a risk to reward ultimately. Okay, but we are going much higher. This is just short term. In the medium term, we're going much, much higher. And I'm going to show you guys why. Okay, now if we come out onto the daily, this is where it gets really interesting, guys. So I hope you're paying attention, yeah? Pause the video, do what you got to do, make a cup of tea, because you're going to be absolutely blown away, trust me. Now, what we're going to revisit is the Elliott wave theory, and we're also going to combine the most over-reliable tool, in my opinion, which is the fib levels. Okay, so this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC correction. Unfortunately, markets do not move in vertical lines. However, XCN, if there was ever going to be a vertical chart, it is XCN, okay, because it looks as if on a much larger time scale is producing a cup and handle, which could still be the case. However, I'm going to show you guys how we could have actually predicted where wave 2 was going. So what I'm going to mark out is just wave 1 and 2 for now. Okay, so you got your wave 1, you got your wave 2, and then this is going to be wave 3. Okay, let's just plant the 4 and 5 there. Okay, so we've done the 1, we've done the 2. Now, look how accurate this is. So this wave 2, when was coming down, is actually 50% or 618 of wave 1. Now, if I apply that logic now to what this particular textbook is saying, with these measurements, look at where XCN comes out. This is how we could have predicted it. So this is a learning curve for us guys, okay? We didn't know it was in a Elliott wave at the time with the 5 waves ABC, but it's looking likely, and I'm going to show you guys why. So from top to bottom, or from bottom to top, look at this. Look at this. The 618 fib level. 618 fib level here. Yeah. 618 fib level. It's absolutely nailed it to the precision. All the closes, all the daily closes are above the 618, and it's taken the liquidity and spiked through it here. Right there. That is absolutely unbelievable. It's so highly respected, and that's exactly what this textbook is saying, either the 50% or the 618 fib level, and it's done it to an absolute T. Now, why is this important? Because I want to show you how much respect the markets have for Fibonacci and Elliott wave theories, okay? What we're interested in this video now is where this wave 3 is heading. Where is this? This is $1 million question, because if you knew where this is going, this is the most profitable leg in the whole of the crypto cycle. Yeah, can delete that one now. I don't need it. So this is where you're going to make a ton of money. So if you knew where to take profits here before it retraced into wave 4 and then get back in for wave 5, you're going to make a lot of money. So I hope you guys are all liking this video now and subscribing to the channel, yeah, because I'm going to blow your socks away. So this is what wave 3 textbook is suggesting in terms of a target before you get out of the market. Yeah, you don't want this to happen to you again. Yeah, I certainly don't, because it was painful. It was long. It was painful. It was down about 85%, and it took about 2 months. It was as if someone had a dagger literally stabbing you in the back and twisting it, yeah, and ripping it back out to make sure you were gone. Yeah, that's how bad it was. Anyhow, those people that are in the crypto Discord, they was all in it, and we all survived. We're here to tell and live another day. So, without the build-up now, where is wave 3 going? Can anybody guess? Where is wave 3 going? A lot of people are going to say, well, wave 3 is usually double the length of wave 1. They are correct in what they're saying there. Now, this is wave 3. So, wave 3 is 1618% of wave 1. Or it could be the 2618% of wave 1. So there's only 2 possibilities on where the top of this wave 3 is going. Now I'm going to rule one straight out of the back. The 2618 is not going to happen, and I'm going to show you exactly why, because it's unrealistic. So we're looking at the 1618 of wave 1. So let's plot that over on the XCN chart. Now let's get the fibs out. We plot we're looking at wave 1 here, using that as a measurement, coming down there. So this is where the 1618 level is coming out on. The 1618 level is coming out approximately 30 cents. 30 cents is going to be the height of this next move. Okay. And then we'll see a correction in wave 4 quite clearly. Yeah. And we'll do that in another video, guys, which is why it's important to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the like button, because I'm going to make you guys rich this time around, because we're learning from our mistakes and we're trying to read chart patterns as early as possible, yeah? Sometimes it's hard to read chart patterns before you've actually had wave 1 and 2, because you don't realize you're in an Elliott wave, okay? But the most important thing is you capture wave 3, because wave 3 is where all the profit is made in the cycle. So if I nail this, tell you what, you guys owe me a beer. Do you know what I mean? Make sure you get yourself in the Discord to support the channel, guys. Yeah, this is where it's going down, where I post exclusive content. Link below in the description. So we're looking at getting up to 30 cents before a retracement. Okay, now what's happening here is, like I said, this smaller bit here is a bull flag at the minute. It's continuation. So what could potentially be happening is a sort of smaller 1, 2, 3 Elliott wave count inside. So you could have like your 1, your 2, you could have your 3, you could have your 4, you could have your 5, and that will ultimately be an Elliott wave 5 count inside of a bigger picture. Okay, something like this, guys. And we're not really interested in that micro. We're just going to ride it up now to approximately 30 cents. Set your sell orders. Go onto your exchange and make sure you're taking profits this time, because you don't want to experience another drawdown with this 4th wave. Yeah, like I said, I'll do another video for the 4th wave before we go into this 5th wave. Okay, now people are going to want to know where this 5th wave is. This fifth wave is massive. Yeah, this is the fifth wave. Fifth wave moves either 100% of wave 1, which is this here, and I'll measure it out. So this is 100% of wave 1. Yeah, so we've got that to apply. What else could it be? Or it could be 161.8% of wave 4. We've not done wave 4, okay? So in this video alone, we're just going to plot the 100% of wave 1. Okay, so from wave 4, we don't know how far wave 4 is going to come down. We've not worked it out yet. But say it comes down to here. It usually, if it is a valid Elliott wave, the wave 4 is always closes above and never interacts with wave 1. So the lowest we're going to get really in wave 4 is around this sort of level. Yeah, and then this is 100% of wave 1. I hope you still follow me at this point, okay? And that would put us out at around $1.50 for Onyx XCN, yeah, which would be absolutely massive. Again, we don't know where wave 4 is going to come down to yet. So again, let's just move that out of the way. It could just retrace to here. Yeah, and if that's the case, we are going higher. Get gone. Get gone. Get gone. So we could be even going even higher, up to here. Yeah, around $2.50. Again, we'll cover that bridge when we get to it. But ultimately, you're taking your profits at 30 cents. Make sure to subscribe for more. We'll catch the bottom of wave 4. And then this fifth wave is going to be absolutely huge. So we're in the sort of banana zone now, in my opinion. Now we are just getting going now. So we're just going to complete wave 2 now on the sort of smaller patterns. Yeah, if I scroll in for you guys. Let's delete some of this TA just to clear it up for you. So this is what's happening on the micro from day to day. We created our bull flag, get a breakout, do our third wave, fourth, and then we'll get up to that sort of third wave there. So all this is going to play out inside that sort of macro wave 3, if you will. That's the best way I can explain the chart. Okay, I hope that helps anyway. I hope I've not sort of rambled on too much, but to summarize, you're taking 30 cents, subscribing to the channel, making sure you like the video, and then we're just waiting for the wave 4 now. So it's very simple what you got to do, guys. Just set your sell orders at around 29, 30 cents. Come back, we re-enter upon this bottom of the wave 4 before we run it up again to the moon, guys. It is as simple as that, guys. And like I say, the link is down below in the description for the Discord if you want to join us for exclusive content, etc., etc. Until next time, I've been the Block Bull. Take it easy, guys. Blah, blah, over and out.